In this video, we are going to solve examples on exercise 3.3 which are based on integration by parts. So integration by parts rule is this: integral uv dx is u integral v dx integral du by dx integral v dx. So we choose u whose integration of u into integration of v. So we choose u and v accordingly. The order of these letters isolate or late. So here in this integral, inverse function will be first function, and this is what algebraic function. So this is u and this is v, and we integrate by parts. So what is the integration by parts? Integral u v dx, that is u integral v dx. So u is what? Cos inverse of x we choose here. Cos inverse of x, that is u integral of v x square dx minus integral of derivative of cos inverse x derivative, and integration of v that is x square dx it is integration of the whole. Then integration of x square, that is x cubed by 3 cos inverse of x minus integration derivative of cos inverse x, which is minus of 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and integration of x square. Integration of x square is x cubed by 3. It is x cubed by 3 dx, which is x cubed by 3 cos inverse of x minus, and this will be plus, it is 1 by 3 integral of x cube root of 1 minus x square dx. Now here this integral, that is x cube root of 1 minus x square, let us take this as integral I1. See, our integral I is this. Let us denote it by 1, and we choose this integral as I. So and we evaluate it separately. इसको हम separate evaluate करते हैं. So I1 is equal to, let I1 is equal to integral of x cube upon root of 1 minus x square dx. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं x square into x, integral of x square into x dx root of 1 minus x square, and here we put t is equal to this 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square we put t. Therefore dt by dx will be equal to minus 2x, and dt minus dt upon 2 is x dx, and here x square will be equal to 1 minus t. Therefore x square will be equal to, from this x square will be equal to 1 minus t. So make this substitution. So our I1 integral will be equal to x square. X square is 1 minus t, and this x dx it is equal to minus dt upon 2. It is minus dt upon 2, and upon root of 1 minus x square we put t, so it is root of t, and we separate it. So minus 1 upon 2 integral of dt upon root t, this dt upon root t, and this minus 1 upon 2 we wrote outside, minus of minus will be plus, 1 by 2 is there, 1 by 2 is there, minus of minus will be plus integral of t upon root t dt. Then integral dt upon root t is 2 root t minus 1 by 2 into 2 root t. Integral dx upon root x is 2 root x, and this is plus 1 by 2 integral of t upon root t, that is root t dt. Further we evaluate it, then it gives us I1 it is equal to this 2 is getting cancelled, and t upon root t is what? Root t. So that is integral of root t is t raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. This is minus root t 1 by 2 and t raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. Integral root t is what? T raised to power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. This 2 is getting cancelled, and plus c, where our t is equal to 1 minus x square. So it is minus of root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 3. Again this t is 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square raised to power 3 by 2 and plus c. This is what I1. So therefore our required integral I is equal to x cubed by 3 into cos inverse of x plus 1 by 3 into this integral I1. And this integral I1 it is equal to minus root of 1 minus x square plus 1 by 3 1 minus x square raised to power 3 by 2 and plus c. So further simplification, इसको और आगे सिंप्लीफाई किया तो x क्यूब बाय 3 इंटू कॉस इनवर्स ऑफ x माइनस 1 बाय 3 रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर एंड प्लस 1 by 9 1 minus x square raised to power 3 by 2 plus c you are getting. Question number 15, cos of root x. So root x we put t is equal to root x, therefore our x will be equal to t square it will be x, and dx by dt is equal to 2t into dt. 2t, it is dx by dt is 2t, and therefore dx will be equal to 2t dt. So here we require dx, root x is equal to t. So given integral I will be equal to integral of cos of root x is t, and this dx is 2t dt. 2 we write outside the integral, t into cos of t dt. Now this is algebraic function, trigonometric function. So this function will be v and this function will be u. So algebraic function and trigonometric function. So algebraic is first function. So it is 2 times u as it is t, integral of cos t dt minus integral of derivative of u, that is derivative of t, and integral of cos t dt. Here it is dt, and this 2 is multiplied to both the terms, therefore we put bracket over here. It is integral cos t is sin t, so 2t sin t minus 2 times this 2 times integral of derivative of t is 1 and integral of cos is sin t dt. Here 2t sin t minus integral of sin is cos minus cos t plus c, and the answer will be 2t sin t. This minus will be plus 2 cos t plus c. Therefore, integral I will be equal to 2. 2 we can take common or write it 2 t. T is equal to root x sine of root x plus again 2 cos of root x plus c. This is the answer. Question number 17. Here x into cos cube x. So cos cube x we have to simplify by using formula. We have cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So this 3 cos theta we will take in the left hand side, right hand side will be 4 cos cube, and we require only cos cube. So cos cube it is equal to 3 by 4 cos x and 1 by 4 cos of 3x. So in place of this cos cube x हमको लिखना है यहाँ पे, here it is x into this 3 whole term will write 3 by 4 cos x 1 by 4 cos 3x dx, and separate the integral. So we separate the integral 3 by 4 integral x cos x dx plus 1 by 4 integral x into cos of 3x dx. Then apply this. Algebraic function is the first function and trigonometric is the second function. So this is algebraic function u and this is v. Here also u and this is what v. So and integrate it by parts. 3 by 4 x integral of cos x dx minus integral of derivative of x d dx of x integral of cos x dx. Here this bracket completes. Then another is 1 by 4 plus integral of this u as it is, that is x integral of cos 3x dx minus integral of derivative of x integral of cos 3x dx. Again this bracket completes. So therefore it is I is equal to 3 by 4 x into integral of cos x, that is sin x into sin x, minus integral of derivative of x is 1 and this is sin x, so 1 into sin x dx. Here this bracket completes, plus 1 by 4 x integral of cos 3x is sin 3x upon 3, and minus integral of derivative of x is 1, integral of cos, that is sin 3x upon 3 dx. Here this another bracket completes. Now it remains to find the integration of this, that is minus cos x, again integration of this, so it will be 3 by 4 x into sin x minus integral of sin is minus cos and this minus, it will be plus 3 by 4, this integral is minus cos x and this minus will be plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12, this is 1 by 12 x into sine of 3x minus this 1 by 12 and integral of sine 3x is minus cos 3x upon 3 minus cos 3x upon 3 plus c. So that our last answer will be, we can write the last answer as three by 4 x sin x, 3 by 4 cos x, 3 by 4 cos x, then 1 by 12 x sin 3x, and this is minus of minus will be plus 36 1 upon 36 cos of 3x plus c. So long answer, but very interesting question. 21st question, cos of cube root of x. So here is cube root of x, we put t, so that x is equal to t cube and dx is 3t square dt. Derivative of this 3t square and dt, that is dx. So this dx will be what? 3t square dt. So our integral I will become, integral I is equal to cos of, this is t, and dx is 3t square dt. This 3 right outside the integral, t square into cos of t dt. Algebraic function and trigonometric function, so this is u and this is v. Integrate it by parts, 3 as it is, integration of u t square, integral of cos t dt minus integral of derivative of u, that is d dt of t square, it is derivative of t square and integration of cos t dt whole dt. Then this 3 is multiplied to all the terms. Here integral of cos is sin t, here also sin t, and this is 2t. This is 3t square sin t minus 3, and this integral is 2t, and this integral is, this derivative is 2t, and the integral is sin t dt. Then again this we integrate by parts because it is of the form 3t square sin t minus 6 integral of t sin t dt. So again this we integrate by parts, this is u and this is v. So 3t square sin t minus 6 into, integrate by parts, t as it is, integral of sin t dt minus integral of derivative of t, that is d dt of t, and integral of sin t dt, this is here bracket and dt. This bracket is multiplied to all the terms, 6 is multiplied to both the terms, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे curly bracket we put 3t square sin t minus 6 integral of sin t is minus cos t, so it is minus t into cos t minus integral derivative of t is 1 and integral is minus cos t dt. Then this minus and again this minus, it will be plus 3t square sin t plus 6t cos t. Here it will be plus and this again minus 6, so it is minus 6 and integral of cos is sin t is minus and again minus, so 3 times minus and 6 and integral of cos is sin plus c. Then here 3, we can take sin t common from here, so sin t common, then or no need 3t square, so t square will be, see, t is equal to cube root of x, so that means x raised to power 1 by 3, and t square will be equal to what? T square will be x raised to power 2 by 3 sin of t. So sin of t means, so finally we can write the answer as, or integral I will be equal to 3t square, that is 3 into t square. T square means what? X raised to power 2 by 3 sin of cube root of t, cube root of x plus 6 into t, t is cube root of x cos of cube root of x, here cube root of x, minus 6 into sin of cube root of x plus constant of integration c. So थोड़ा सा complicated है cube root के वजह से, but it's not so much difficult. Cube root of x here cube root of x. We can take sin cube root of x together, and so that it will be 3x raised to power 2 by 3 minus 6 and whole bracket into sin of cube root of x and plus this. Here this we have completed in this video exercise 3.3, that is the first question. Thank you for watching.